Okay, so this is Ginny, LearnWithGinny.com, and today I want to show you where to find your recordings in ReStream, which, the other day, it was more than the other day ago, but I was doing a recording, I was doing a live for DS Tech, which is the IT company that I work with, and we had a lot of technical difficulties that day. Facebook had changed something in their programming, and the ReStream app that I use was not connecting. So, we didn't realize we weren't live until the end. And I was like, well, where's our live? And then I see at the top of the screen, there was this little thing that said, we're having difficulties with Facebook, blah, 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 and will be fixed. And I'm like, oh, crap. But this is the cool part. Let me show you. Which screen do I have? Oh, here. I'll bring this over. Okay. Move me out of the way so you can see my ReStream. You just log into your thing. I'm going to show you in my next video how to change this because I'm actually two people. I'm Ginny that works for DS Tech, and I'm Ginny, Learn with Ginny, helping your home business needs with some of this technology. So what you do, this is the cool part. When you go live in your ReStream studio, it's automatically recorded. You don't even have to think about it. And at the time I was like, wait a minute, because I thought we were going to have to redo it. And we rescheduled, me, Dave, and Aaron, we were going to do it again that afternoon. But I'm like, wait a minute, I wonder if it recorded. So I go into here and I go, let's see, hit the little dots. And I hit video storage. And I hit recordings. And then look at, these are the last two sessions that we did. So what I did then is I hit here and I scheduled it to go live again later that afternoon when the Facebook little glitch was fixed. And sure enough, there it was. It was live at, I don't know, like 3 in the afternoon or something, because I went on my Facebook page and I looked and I'm like, oh yeah, there we are. We're talking like live. So I went in there and, I said hi to myself, which is kind of cool. But that was a cool thing. It kind of saved me that day. So that is it. That's what I wanted to show you on ReStream. Today was where to find your recordings. And I don't keep them in there. They keep them in there for 2 weeks, I think. You can download them, whatever. It's cool. They're there if you need them. And if you want to keep them, you can download them onto another storage, because you don't want to trust other people's storage. It's always good to have backup. In this case, I do not have a backup, but it's not a big deal. It's just us chatting. So I hope you found that helpful. If you want to use this app, I will put my link down below this video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, share, ask me a question, because maybe I will answer your question on another video in the future. And last but not least, if you want to know the next time I have workshops or offers, make sure you're on my list, because I will, always invite my list. First, my list is the place that, I like to communicate with the people that want to hang out with me. So that's why you have a list. Make it a great day. LearnWithGinny.com is where you'll find that. We'll see you next time.